Greetings. Tell me something. You ever wonder is when the Pharisee them start think say, boy, them have to go kill Jesus. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 1 to verse 14. That time there, Jesus they go through one wheat field on one Sabbath day. Him special follower them did hungry and start pick some of the wheat and yam them. But when the Pharisees see what go on, them say to him say, look, your special follower them I do what the law say we no fi do on the Sabbath. Jesus answer them say, we no read what David do when him and him friend them did hungry. Or him go in a God house and him and him friend them yam the holy bread which based upon the law a hunger the priest them forget. Or hold on there, we no read in the law how the priests them walk in a God house on Sabbath day and so them a broke what the law say about the Sabbath. But them no do nothing wrong in a God eye. Hear me now? Something way more important than God house there. If uno did know what this here mean, but want people for good and kind to people. Not for people come bone sacrifice. Gimme. Uno wouldn't write off people when you do nothing wrong and go on like say them a sinner. Cause the man where God pick, him rule over the Sabbath. Then Jesus left the so and go in at the Jew them church. One man did there, who for and did shrivel up. And some people asked Jesus, based upon Moses' law, it's alright for people get ill on the Sabbath day. Them ask him that, cause them did a look for one reason, for say, him did a broke the law. Him said to them, say, if none of you have one sheep, and it fall down in a one pit, pan the Sabbath, you not go grab it and haul it out. So watch out. People know what eat more than one sheep. So you not broke no law if you do good pan the Sabbath. Then him said to the man, stretch out your hand. The man stretch out him hand. It get better and come back good like the next one. But the Pharisee them go and start plan how they might have kill Jesus. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.